Make your way into a comfortable position and allow your eyes to close. You may want to listen to each affirmation, or perhaps repeat each of them in your mind's eye. I am open to receiving unlimited abundance. I am open to receiving unlimited abundance in all areas of my life. Prosperity flows effortlessly. Prosperity flows effortlessly into my life. I am overflowing with gratitude. I am overflowing with gratitude for all that I have. It is easy for me to receive. It is easy for me to receive gifts from the universe. I gladly accept abundance. I gladly accept abundance in spiritual and physical wealth. I radiate confidence. I radiate confidence and am ready for success. I attract opportunities. I attract opportunities to thrive. I am deserving. I am deserving of abundance and joy. I trust the timing of my life. I trust the timing of my life, and right now is my time.